Hey guys, thanks for coming to the channel. Hey, all you overthinkers, hello. Welcome to the community. If you are an overthinker, an overplanner, and if your partner is over you, you are at the right channel. So we are talking about Viking cruise, what's new, you guys know. So this video is, as the title suggests, if you have started packing or if you're overthinking your packing, you have come to the right place. I'm just going to give you guys my opinion, my tips, and also the things that I packed and have honestly never wore it, never used it, didn't need it, and also the things that I wish I would have brought on different cruises and the things that I absolutely am so glad I did. So let's get into it. First and foremost, I'm so happy that you guys have come to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, this is a great time to do so, because let's just be honest, are you going to remember to find me? I know right now you're like, I'll remember. I'll just go search for her name again. I'll find her. You won't find me. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that way you'll continue to get updates on great videos and not so great videos. But either way, they come every week. So why not subscribe? So if you are packing for your next Viking cruise or your first Viking cruise, probably your first, because if you are a seasoned traveler, you may already have your own tips down. And if you do, let me know your tips. Put them in the comments. That's a good reason to stay on this video, because I love getting comments from my seasoned overthinkers. You guys can put your tips in the comments. Very first thing I want to let you guys know, you do absolutely not need anything formal. So if your husband has traditionally brought his tuxedo, tell him that is 2.5 pounds out of the suitcase that you can use for hair products. So you really don't need to worry about a formal night. However, in exchange for your formal wear, I especially recommend having something that makes you feel all beautiful inside. And for me, I substituted out any dress, any formal dress, for a nice formal kind of top or blouse that I could wear underneath a sweater. So no need for any formal, but instead a nice blouse or even a glitter tank top that you can pair it with jeans for going out to the speakeasy or dancing under the stars, but also it works as a nice dinner outfit so you don't look like you don't really care if you're on a date with your partner. Well, you know how it goes. Like, if you've been married a long time, you might be like, oh, I'll just wear anything. So you do want to have a couple of nights that you dress up. I absolutely loved the fact that I brought just workout leggings. I don't like to do excursions in jeans. I realized that early on. I don't like to do excursions in jeans. So I'll be honest, I didn't wear jeans. I brought jeans, didn't use them, didn't wear them. There was just not any occasion for jeans. I honestly didn't feel even comfortable wearing jeans around the ship, even on a casual occasion. So scrap the jeans. I opted for leggings instead, and something that was like a Nike workout pant. I wore that so much. And I also have like a matching thin jacket, a black kind of like Nike hoodie. And that was kind of like my casual 3-piece that I could wear to the spa. I could wear it if I just needed to run out and get like a pastry in the morning. And also I use that a lot for excursions. I was like live and died by a pair of shorts. I know it sounds crazy, but the excursions, it depends on when you're traveling and the weather, but it really worked out for me. I had this amazing pair of denim shorts that kind of are like a little bit loose. They're great at the waist and a little bit loose at the legs. So kind of gives me the feel of a skirt, and I wore those a lot on those warmer days and paired it with a like Columbia multi-tasked pullover jacket that was like half windbreaker, half raincoat, has a hood, has pockets, has a zipper. So I could put my passport in it. I can put a map. I can put my headphones, the speaker headphones that they give you for excursions, money. If I got a small like pastry while I'm listening to somebody talk, I could put everything in there. So it was like the Swiss Army knife of jackets. The other thing is I absolutely recommend a backpack. I think you just absolutely have to have a backpack. If you don't want to use the backpack as one of your carry-ons and actually using it for items during um your travel to your cruise, then just pack it empty in your suitcase, because you're gonna want something to go off and into the excursions with. And who wants to have the single strap bag? Ditch the purse. Don't bring a purse at all. Bring a backpack and use that for when you go on excursions. The other thing that I realized is not necessary: no heels, no fancy heels. I opted for a clear wedge that I could use. Feels like it's kind of in between functional. It also can work as dressy. Clear wedge, very, very functional, very light. So you can pack it without having like overweight, overweight nightmares for your luggage. So those were some of the top tips that I had on what to pack and what not to pack. So what not to pack, just in recap: no formal, nothing overly dressy. It will, one, take up too much space in your bag for the one time you're going to wear it. And you really want something that you can wear more than once. And so if you have something that is significantly dressy, once you've worn it, are you going to wear it again? No, you probably won't. So I opted for sportswear that fits each other. It's modular, so that I could wear that to the spa casually if I need to get up before there's a lot of people on board. And I could also use that for excursions. Very easy to throw into the laundry and repeat it with a different top. So that was one of my top tips. And then for dressing up on board, I opted for a couple of nice tops along with a functional bottom that's not a jean, and that for me just so happened to be like a cargo skirt. And also I had something that was like a flowy silk pant that was thin, it was lightweight, and it was able to give me the option to look like I was dressing up and changing my outfits fairly often. I always recommend having a light windbreaker, as well as something that is heavy but also could be layered, taken on and off. I think that cardigans are the way to go versus a highly committed piece. So for me, I chose to have a white cardigan as well as a blue one, because it went with the most options in my bag, but also gave me a different look in my photos, because you want to keep that in mind, that if you want to have some different looks, think about the layers and the fact that it'll make it look like you had on a lot of different clothes. Hopefully these tips help, and I look forward to you guys joining me on the next video. Bye-bye.